A Sea of Trouble, Chapter 4. Leatherback sea turtles are endangered throughout the world. In some places they are almost gone. Many reasons have led to the decline of leatherbacks, but the two main threats are fishing nets and poaching. Every year fishermen throw thousands of lines and nets into the sea, but along with fish and shrimp, they also catch sea turtles. The turtles are scooped up and can't find their way out of the tightly woven nets. Sometimes turtles get tangled up in the nets and can't break free. Because these nets are often dragged behind boats for hours, the trapped turtles usually end up drowning. Other types of fishing gear can cause serious injury and death to sea turtles. Hooks poke and tear the turtle's head and flippers. Fishing lines wrap around flippers and cause deep cuts. Poaching: hunting or fishing illegally. There's a photograph of a sea turtle trapped in a net, and the caption says a fishing net on a reef catches a leatherback sea turtle. Nest raiders. Leatherbacks don't just face threats at sea. Although leatherbacks are a protected species, they are still the victims of poaching. Everywhere leatherbacks go to lay their eggs, they are in danger. Poachers wait on the beach for nesting females to lay eggs. Then the poachers take the eggs to sell for food. In some areas, more than 95% of leatherback eggs have been illegally harvested. Poachers also take the adult females and sell them for their meat and their oily shells. In Papua New Guinea, people take oil from turtles' hides and use it for lotions and oil lamps. Protecting nests. As in other parts of the world, nesting leatherbacks in Costa Rica, once plentiful, were nearly gone. In the 1980s, there were more than 200 females. By 1997, there were fewer than 10 females. In 1995, the Leatherback Trust helped establish Las Belugas National Park to protect turtle eggs and hatchlings. Workers place screens around nests to protect them from predators. They stand guard to protect the nests from poachers. Often workers remove eggs and take them to safe hatchery. This action protects the eggs from being washed out to sea at high tide. Hatchery nests are located higher on the beach and are dug by hand to match the natural nests. In January 2010, 24 tagged females returned, along with 15 untagged females, which were new arrivals. That season produced 346 hatchlings. These results show that conservation efforts are working. Over here in this photograph, you can see poachers try to catch a sea turtle. Many other serious threats kill leatherbacks each year. Trash carelessly tossed in the ocean or even on the beaches is harmful to sea turtles. The turtles sometimes mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Just one plastic bag can cause a deadly blockage in a sea turtle's stomach or intestines. Pollution from factories or oil drilling, boats, and marinas gushes into the ocean. This waste poisons sea turtles and causes defects in their young. Oil spills, such as the one in the Gulf of Mexico in 2010, are serious threats to leatherbacks. When turtles come to the surface to breathe, the oil can plug their noses. Beaches changed or destroyed by construction have reduced nesting areas to a fraction of what they once were. Large numbers of the beach tourists and beach activities also bother turtles and their nesting habits. There's a photograph of a plastic bag that creates a hazard for turtles in the ocean. And here in this diagram is threats to the leatherback sea turtle. So eating trash is one of them. Predators, eggs and hatchlings, pollution, fishing nets, and boats. And then the habitat definition is the natural place and conditions of which an animal or plant lives. We obviously know that one.